Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask Testnets. First, understand that testnets are crucial for developers and users alike. They offer a risk-free sandbox to interact with blockchain applications and smart contracts. This means you can explore new features, send test tokens, and confirm functionality without spending any actual cryptocurrency. It's an essential step for anyone looking to build or simply understand the decentralized web. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selector at the top. You'll see a list of available networks, including popular testnets like Sepolia or Goerli. Simply click on your desired testnet to switch to it. If a specific testnet isn't pre-listed, you can easily add it manually by providing its unique network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. This process is straightforward and opens up many testing possibilities. Once you're on a testnet, you'll need some test ether to cover transaction fees. This is where testnet faucets come in handy. Search online for a Sepolia faucet or Goerli faucet, for example. On the faucet website, simply paste your MetaMask wallet address into the designated field and request the test tokens. Within moments, a small amount of test ether will appear in your wallet, allowing you to start interacting with dApps. With testnet ether in hand, you can now freely interact with decentralized applications on the test network. Send test tokens to friends, deploy smart contracts, or try out new features without any financial risk. Remember, these tokens have no real-world value, making them perfect for learning and development. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to explore the blockchain safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.